Are you ready to leave your 9-to-5 behind? The world is changing, and digital entrepreneurship is more accessible than ever. The daily grind is no longer the only path. AI is opening doors to new ways of working and earning. The barrier to starting your own online venture has never been lower thanks to artificial intelligence. AI now powers practical tools that automate tasks, unlock creativity, and scale businesses. No massive team or budget required. In this video, I'll break down 3 powerful AI tools you can use right now to build income and escape the traditional work model. Stick around, this could be the leap you've been waiting for. Meet Copy.ai, your AI-powered copywriting assistant. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or marketer, this tool transforms how you create content and streamlines your entire workflow. Writing content can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Copy.ai changes that by generating high-quality text for websites, ads, emails, and more, instantly, so you can focus on what matters most. With just a few clicks, you get polished, professional copy, saving hours of brainstorming and editing and freeing up your valuable time. Freelancers can take on more clients, small businesses can compete with bigger brands, and marketers can quickly test new ideas and campaigns. Create product descriptions, ad copy, and blog posts without hiring expensive agencies. Even e-commerce owners can optimize listings in minutes and boost sales. Scale your content, repurpose blog posts, and maximize your reach, all with AI-driven efficiency. Copy.ai adapts to any brand voice, making you a more valuable creator or consultant for your clients. The future of content creation is automated. Start leveraging Copy.ai today to unlock new opportunities and revenue streams for your business. Now let's move from text to video with Synthesia, your all-in-one AI video production studio that's transforming how content is made. Whether you're a solo creator, a business owner, or part of a large team, Synthesia is designed to make professional video creation effortless and accessible. Video dominates online content, but traditional production is costly, time-consuming, and often requires a team of specialists. Synthesia changes the game by making high-quality video creation accessible to everyone, no matter your experience level. You no longer need to worry about expensive equipment, complicated editing software, or hiring actors. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Just type your script, pick an AI avatar, and Synthesia generates a professional video. No cameras, actors, or editing needed. The process is as simple as writing an email, but the results look like you hired a full production crew. You can even preview your video instantly, making tweaks on the fly until it's just right. It supports multiple languages and accents, making it perfect for global audiences. Whether you're targeting viewers in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, your message can be delivered in their native language with natural-sounding voices. This global reach means your content can resonate with people from all walks of life, breaking down language barriers effortlessly. Offer AI video creation services to businesses for promos, explainers, or training, fast and affordable. Companies are always looking for ways to communicate more effectively, and you can provide them with engaging videos in a fraction of the usual time. This opens up new revenue streams and helps you stand out in a crowded digital marketplace. Launch a faceless YouTube channel or create online courses without ever stepping in front of a camera. This opens up opportunities for those who are camera shy or want to scale content production without personal appearances. You can build an entire brand or educational platform while remaining completely behind the scenes. Help course creators turn text into engaging video lessons or build your own video-based products. Educational content, tutorials, and digital products can all be brought to life with AI video, making learning more interactive and memorable. This technology empowers educators and creators to deliver information in a way that truly connects with their audience. Create custom avatars for brands, offering a consistent digital spokesperson as a premium service. This helps businesses maintain a unique identity and build trust with their audience through a recognizable digital face. Custom avatars can be tailored to match brand guidelines, ensuring every video feels on-brand and professional. Synthesia's speed and scalability mean you can update scripts and regenerate videos in minutes, no reshoots required. This flexibility is perfect for fast-changing industries or campaigns that need frequent updates. You can respond to feedback or new information instantly, keeping your content fresh and relevant. Specialize in corporate training videos, multilingual content, or subscription-based video packages for recurring revenue. Businesses value ongoing content solutions, and you can deliver them efficiently. With Synthesia, you can offer packages that keep clients coming back month after month. Localize content for different markets, expanding your client base and reach. With AI, you can quickly adapt videos for new regions, helping brands connect with audiences worldwide. This adaptability is a game changer for agencies and freelancers looking to grow internationally. Integrate backgrounds, music, and on-screen text for creative control. Personalize every video to match your client's branding or your own unique style, making each project stand out. The creative possibilities are nearly limitless, allowing you to experiment and innovate with every video you produce. For entrepreneurs, Synthesia offers a way to build a personal brand or content channel without traditional filming hassles. You can focus on your message and strategy, while AI handles the production. This means more time for creativity and less time spent on technical details. The interface is intuitive, no technical video skills needed. Even beginners can create polished videos in minutes, making it accessible for everyone from students to seasoned marketers. The learning curve is minimal, so you can start producing content almost immediately. Transform blog posts or articles into dynamic videos, helping clients reach wider audiences. Repurpose existing content to maximize its impact across platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. This not only saves time but also amplifies your content's reach and effectiveness. Identify niches where fast, scalable video gives you an edge: real estate, marketing, education, and more. The possibilities are endless when you can produce high-quality videos at scale. Explore new markets and experiment with different content types to discover what works best for you. Synthesia democratizes video production, letting anyone become a video content powerhouse. No longer is video creation limited to big studios or those with expensive equipment. Now, creativity and innovation are open to everyone, regardless of background or resources. Sell video services, build monetized channels, or enhance your business with AI-driven video, no overhead. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, so you can start or scale your video business today. Take advantage of this shift and position yourself as a go-to expert in AI video. Master Synthesia, and you're at the forefront of the new content wave. Stay ahead of the curve and set yourself apart as a leader in AI-powered video creation. As the demand for video content continues to grow, your skills will only become more valuable. The future of video is AI-powered, and the opportunity is wide open. Embrace this technology now, and you'll be ready to capture the next generation of content creation. The world is moving fast. Make sure you're moving with it. Meet Jasper, your AI partner for long-form content and marketing campaigns. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, freelancer, or agency, Jasper helps you create high-quality, engaging content at scale, unlocking new levels of productivity and creativity for your business or personal brand. Jasper crafts in-depth blog posts, marketing frameworks, and creative stories that truly resonate with your audience. It adapts to your unique voice and goals, helping you break through content bottlenecks and scale your output faster than ever before. More content means more traffic, leads, and sales. Imagine publishing twice as many articles or launching campaigns in days instead of weeks, giving you a real edge in your industry. Draft SEO-optimized articles, meta descriptions, and titles to target more keywords and attract organic visitors. Stay ahead of the competition with a full, fresh content pipeline that never runs dry. With Boss Mode, command Jasper to write intros, paragraphs, or entire articles with simple prompts, maintaining your unique style and voice throughout every piece. Automate blog writing, brainstorm topics, and craft full-length posts to build authority and attract organic traffic, all while saving valuable time. Become a content powerhouse. Automate, accelerate, and grow your business with less manual effort. Jasper gives you the tools. Now it's up to you to use them. Embrace AI-powered content creation and watch your business and your income reach new heights of success. There you have it. 3 powerful AI tools: Copy.ai for writing, Synthesia for video, and Jasper for scaling your content. These aren't just futuristic ideas, they're practical tools people are using right now to build businesses and escape the 9-to-5. AI is transforming digital entrepreneurship, lowering barriers and amplifying your efforts. The key is integrating these tools into a real business model: freelancing, building a brand, or creating digital products. Ready to take control? Dive in, experiment, and see how AI can help you build the income and lifestyle you want. The future is here. Start your journey today. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button, join our community, and let's build your AI-powered future together. Don't miss out. Your journey starts now.